Yeah, don't should all over your reader. Wait, say what? What did she say? Yes. No. Wait a minute. No, we're good, but it can feel like that. When people use should, it can put us in a real difficult position. So I've been talking to participants in live sessions with business writers around the world about feedback on real sentences. Here's one I brought to class the other day, and I'm going to share with you what all the people in the class who are today's business readers thought about the sentence, and 3 words in here that we really need to look out for because they can trigger our readers to feel defensive and not open-minded about our message. Here was the example I gave in class. All of your questions should have been answered during yesterday's presentation. If you still need more information, you can request a meeting with one of our directors. So when I ask participants, what do you think? Are there things you would change to make sure that this doesn't sound judgy or accusatory for the reader? They talk about these 3 words, you, should, and still. That these words can carry almost what feels like a value judgment. So here are the words called out. We want to avoid using these and instead write in a hopeful manner towards the solution, towards the future. Things like, we hope we answered your questions in yesterday's session. What that does is it takes responsibility. I hope we did a good job sharing. It's not just your fault if you didn't find it all out, right? To get more information, click here to request a meeting with one of our directors. A more productive way to say things, and it avoids those 3 potential trigger words for your reader.